In the field of artificial intelligence, there's a lot of talk about machine learning models, training data, and algorithms. These are the building blocks of AI systems that we interact with every day, whether it's through chatbots or image generators. But what happens when these seemingly benign algorithms are used for malicious purposes? What are the potential dangers of AI, and how can we mitigate them? That's what we're going to be talking about today, as we delve into the dark side of algorithms. We begin with an alarming new paper from researchers at the University of California, San Diego. They have developed an AI system called Fax AI files that can uncover hidden information in seemingly innocuous places such as social media posts, code repositories, emails, and documents. And by hidden information, they mean sensitive data that the user might not even be aware of. The scariest part is that this AI can find this information without being explicitly asked to do so. For instance, if I ask ChatGPT to write a poem about spring, it might use publicly available data to train itself on the style of a well-known poet, William Wordsworth. However, with Fax AI files, it can be as subtle as finding personal details, like home address or phone numbers within text that has nothing to do with the user's identity. This is made possible by the use of large language models, or LLMs, that are fine-tuned on a massive dataset of over 1 billion public files. The result is an AI system that can identify sensitive information with an accuracy of up to 98%. And here's the most alarming part. Unlike other AI systems that require users to input specific keywords or prompts, Fax AI files can discover this information without being prompted. It essentially scans through vast amounts of data looking for patterns and relationships that can reveal sensitive information. And once it finds it, it can take various actions, such as flagging the document or blocking access to it. This technology raises several ethical concerns. For example, what happens to the privacy of individuals when their personal information is scraped from the internet and used to train an AI system? How do we prevent AI from perpetuating biases and discrimination when it's used to make decisions about loan applications or job hirings? These are important questions that need to be addressed as we continue to develop and deploy AI systems in our society. Another recent paper from researchers at the University of Oxford takes a deeper dive into the biases of AI algorithms. They developed a new framework called the Algorithmic Fairness and Transparency Toolkit. That's a mouthful. This framework allows developers to easily integrate fairness constraints into their machine learning models during the development process. In other words, it helps to build fairness into AI algorithms from the ground up. To demonstrate the effectiveness of their framework, the researchers applied it to a real-world example, predicting the risk of criminal behavior based on an individual's personal characteristics. They found that the algorithm they developed was able to identify individuals at high risk, while avoiding unfair discrimination based on sensitive attributes, such as race or gender. This is an important step towards developing AI systems that are not only accurate, but also fair and transparent. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are also some positive developments on the horizon. Researchers at Google DeMind have developed a new technique called constitutional AI. This technique is designed to create AI systems that are aligned with human values. By training these AI systems on a set of rules or a constitution that defines acceptable behavior, we can create AI that is more likely to behave in a way that is consistent with our own values. As we continue to explore the potential of artificial intelligence, it's crucial that we do so responsibly. By understanding the potential dangers of AI algorithms and taking steps to mitigate them, we can harness the power of AI for good while minimizing the risks. Whether it's developing new techniques to ensure fairness and transparency in AI algorithms, or creating AI systems that are aligned with human values, There is a lot of work being done to make sure that AI benefits all of humanity. As we move forward, it is important that we continue to have open and honest conversations about the potential dangers of AI and work together to create a future where AI and humans thrive together. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more updates on AI and technology.